everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this quick graphic glitter liner, just a couple of products, takes no time at all. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. First thing I'm going to start off with, this is Zero by Urban Decay Cosmetics, and this is their 24/7 liner. I'm just going to pull down right there. You want to take a step back and make sure they're kind of going in the right direction. But if they're not, just take a Q-tip and kind of maneuver it. Get it kind of going in a similar direction. You don't want to go too far onto the side of the nose. You just want to give yourself a little guide right there. And then I'm going to pull it to right about where the center of your iris is. I'm going to keep all of that clean. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to put glitter on it, but I like keeping this part open because I want that glitter to be a little bit more intense right there. Then you're going to go close to your lash line. You're going to pull that up to the outer corner of your eye. You want to bring the wing up to just about to where the end of your eyebrow ends. There we go. So up and out. Take a step back. Make sure that, again, they're kind of going in a similar direction. Just about to there. My eye tilts up a little bit in here, so I like to fill that in because you're doing a straight line on something that has curves. So sometimes you have to zhuzh it a little bit in order for it to create more of that linear look. Close enough. From the outer corner, I'm gonna follow that down. I'm gonna create a pretty thick line onto my lid. And you want to attach it. It goes a little bit closer to that inner corner so that it meets what you did right here. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cover all this in glitter. And that seems to fix everything. Not perfect, add glitter. Now fill that all in. Take a step back. Make sure that they are the length that you want them, that the tips are going in that similar direction, and that it's pretty opaque. Now I'm going to take the same liner and go in that inner membrane, and I'm going to pull that all the way to the inner corner. Sorry about all the traffic. I live on a very noisy street. And you're going to do the same thing underneath because you don't want to see any skin. You want to create all of that because it's a pretty simple look, but all of those little details make it a little bit more not intense, but all those little details make a difference. With Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay, you're just gonna fill in that area that you didn't put the liner down. You're basically just gonna throw glitter all over this whole thing. Do a little bit at a time. This liner is really cool because you can get a very translucent glitter, or you can build it up so that it's really intense. Nice and opaque. Throw that all over that liner that you just put down. Try to keep your eyelid as flat as you can so that you don't get that transfer. Because once this sets, you won't have to worry about it, but while it's still drying, it can transfer. I take it right to the edge of the black. So it's okay if it goes a little bit over. Got that dry? Mascara, Lash Princess, tried and true. I love this mascara so much. It's like $4 from the drugstore, and it is giving me life. Top and bottom. Put on a lot. Here to help. Put a lot on. Okay, for the lip, I'm gonna go in with light brown from e.l.f. This is their Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. And like I usually do, I just throw a little bit haphazardly because I'm just gonna smudge it. So I just throw that on the top, just in the center. Same thing underneath. I go a little bit outside of my lip line. In the outer corners. I've been loving this. This is too small to read. This is called Cookie Dreams by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it's this beautiful black gloss. The wiper system is pretty intense, so I just keep going back in and adding, but it gives this beautiful tinge of black, just it's so pretty, so pretty. So I like that it gives like a little bit of a deeper look, but it's still very much a clear gloss, just with that extra. It's so cool. Okay, that's it. So just a couple of products, black liner, some glitter. Just gotta take your time a little bit just to get the shape done. I love it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I list all of the products that I use in the description box below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye.